Lottie from Living with Eve, and behind me I have some boxes because we have purchased around $300 worth of supplies. This is not all of it because we're going to do an Amazon haul for Naomi's preschool. We purchased stuff from Lakeshore Learning, Rainbow Resource, and this is all because in the state of Florida, we receive a scholarship because Naomi has Down syndrome. If you have not heard of that scholarship, it's called the Gardner Scholarship, and I will leave a link in the description box below so you can find out more about it. But we're gonna do an unboxing together of all the cool, fun, hands-on preschool activities. So let's go, Naomi. So this is a box that I purchased from Lakeshore Learning. Do you want to help me open it? Okay, come here. You want to pull? Pull it up. Want to see what's inside? Look. What do you see? What's in here? Naomi, do you want to see what this is? Yeah, okay. So these are scarves, and these are great for using with dance class, dancing, fine motor skills, cause and effect. Watch, watch, throw. Throw it. Throw. You can also put it over your head. Peekaboo. And of course you could dance with these music, play hot potato. There's lots of fun little activities that you can do to develop some of those fine motor skills. Textures, color, you could sort them with colors, and you just want to get into this, don't you? It's like Christmas, but not really. Ooh, what is this? So my favorite book of all time to read to kids has always been Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. So I bought this Chicka Chicka Boom Boom tree. Stands up straight. You probably hang it.
What is that?
Yeah, what is that? Comes with little styrofoam, actually they're Velcro letters. I ordered the book too. Hopefully it's in these boxes somewhere. Here, look, W. W, can you put him on the tree? W, W, W. R. R, 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 R. Good, this is helping with fine motor skills, tactile skills. Whenever you can find a way to bring a book to life, which we need the book, hopefully the book is in here. Whenever you can find a way to bring the book to life, bonus points. They're gonna retain it more. Put it on the tree. Up there? Well, I think he's gonna be there. Yeah, get your tongue in your mouth, sweetie. No, put him on there. You want to put them on the branches. Good job. This is from Rainbow Resource. If you have not heard of Rainbow Resource, they've got a ton of different resources for homeschooling, for preschooling. You want to pull on that. Here. What's in here? Oh, I forgot what this was. Oh, I know what this is. We got a workbook. And a bag. There's more to this bag. Huge fan of this company. This one is the preschool one. There's stickers, but there's these shapes and stickers that you sticker right on to this. You gonna have fun with this? Yeah, have a seat. You can look at it right now. We'll put the stickers on later. Oh, the wheels? What do the wheels do? They go round and round. Yeah, we're gonna get to this guy later. This is just a case for something else. But you'll see. I'm a little scared because I know what it is. This one? Yeah. Nice work. Oh, we're gonna pull everything out first. Oh, that's right. Super excited about this one. This is for numbers, scooping, fine motor skills, pre-writing skills. I need more construction paper. This is not enough, but construction paper, and I think I got plenty of glue. This will last me. A lot of things, like you can rip apart some of this construction paper and just glue it to the paper. Super, super simple. Learning how to cut with basic scissors Which you're excited to open that up, aren't you?
Yeah.
This giant green thing, I won't open it up, but you can read what it says. I had to get one, right? It was on the scholarship. We have a family. We have people over. Did you guys ever take Gymboree with your kids when they were young? Lots of little games. You can bounce the ball on top of it. You can lift it up, go under your head, make a river with it, play hide and go seek with it. It teaches strength training. Colors, you'll open it up, there'll be lots of colors on it. You are so ready to open this up. Yeah, you wanna do that box? Or that box? You gonna pull that? We have a Montessori method number book.
Ooh.
Fun and games. What do you say?
Sausage.
Please? Oh, good job. What is it? You have no idea, but Mommy does, that they go inside this bag. These are such cool handbells, and she will learn music. You will learn how to gently pick them up. Look, they even give you a song. But I think this is gonna, this is gonna help her learn. Okay, you got that one? I'll get this one. Ready? Can you do that? So what I also like about these is not only are they coded with the letter, but they also have numbers attached and colors attached to them. It's so easy for kids to pick these up and start playing music together as a group. And I really think she's capable, and we're gonna make this happen, right, Naomi? Are we gonna make this happen? Last box. What do you think's in there? What do you think's in there? What? What do we have? No spill. This is all me right now, and we have all the paints to go with it. And this is foamy sensory paint. This is gonna be so fun. Well, thank you guys for hanging out with us, and I do hope this video helped give you some ideas and crafts that you can do with your preschooler. Whether or not they have special needs, and to be honest, it doesn't matter, because all these things will work with any child. It's just that we kind of hang out with them a little bit longer and work a little bit harder. Like I mentioned before, my name is Leilani, this is Living with Eve, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I really want to encourage you to do so. I'm here to encourage you, support you, inspire you, give you some tips and ideas, and also leave me a comment down below. Tell me a little bit about you, who you are, your testimony, your story, your children's story. I love hearing these things, and I love hearing all the feedback and tips that you even have for us and our family. Right now, I am gonna stick some videos around the screen. If you haven't seen one, click on it. And until then, I will see you guys in our next video. Bye.